lecture we see the next type of the integrals. Here integrals of the type linear function upon quadratic function. Here integral of linear function upon quadratic function. We have already learned the integrals of 1 upon quadratic function. Okay, here we have already learned it is the integral of 1 upon quadratic function, that is ax square plus bx plus c dx. But here it is a linear function upon quadratic function, and the solution method of this, here it is a numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b, where a and b are the constants. Okay, where a and b are the constant. Here numerator means linear function px plus q is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function, derivative of ax square plus bx plus c and plus b. Okay, here numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b, that is a numerator, it is a linear function. Linear function is equal to a into derivative of the quadratic function, and we know that when we differentiate the quadratic function we get the linear function. Okay, it is x square, when it is differentiate it get in terms of x. Okay, here derivative of quadratic function plus b, that means we adjust in numerator, it is a derivative of denominator, that means adjust derivative of quadratic function in linear function. Okay, when we differentiate this quadratic function it is also a linear function. Okay, it is a linear function and numerator is also linear function. We adjust the derivative of quadratic function in numerator, that is in this px plus q, that means adjust the derivative of quadratic function. When this differentiate, the degree of numerator and degree of derivative of denominator, degree of derivative of denominator is same. If degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same, then we adjust denominator in numerator. Okay, okay, such type of example we are already see in the our lecture number 6. Okay, here degree of numerator and denominator is not same, but when differentiate the denominator, then degree of derivative of denominator and numerator is same, then we adjust derivative of denominator in numerator. Okay, or we can solve this type linear equation, px plus linear function, it is px plus q is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. Okay, it is integrals of the type linear function upon quadratic function. Okay, here 1 upon quadratic function we have already learned 1 upon quadratic function by completing square method. We get here x square and a square, and then we use the special integrals. Okay, here 1 upon quadratic function, but here linear function upon quadratic function. Now we see some examples on it. Here's examples in the exercise 3.2c. Example, evaluate integral of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Okay, here now therefore it is a let I is equal to integral of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. See carefully. Okay, it is in the type of linear function upon quadratic function, and the solution method is linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. Okay, therefore it is a solution method. 3x plus 4 linear function is equal to a into derivative of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b. Okay, it is the solution method. Linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. Now we can solve this. We get it is a into 2x plus 6. A into it is 2x plus 6 and plus b. Okay, see carefully. Derivative of quadratic function it is x square, it is 2x, and derivative of 6x it is a 6, and derivative of 5 it is 0. Then here we can write 3x plus 4 is equal to here 2ax plus 6a and plus b. Okay, now compare both the equations. Here linear function, that is coefficient of x and it is constant. Here coefficient of x it is a 2a and constant it is a 6a plus b. Okay, compare. It is coefficient of x and constant. Okay, therefore we get it is coefficient of x, it is a 2a. 2a is equal to 3. Okay, here it is equation number 1, and 6a plus b is equal to 4. It is equation number 2. See carefully. 2a is equal to 3 and 6a plus b is equal to 4, and therefore by 1 a is equal to 3 by 2, and by 2 here 6a, that is 6 into 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 4, and therefore see carefully, b is equal to, it is 3. Okay, here 3 into 3 9. Okay, 3 into 3 9, and we take here minus 9, therefore 4 minus 9, therefore b is equal to minus 5. It is the value of b, and therefore we find the value of a and b, put the value in this. Therefore the linear function 3x plus 4 can be written as a, it is a 3 by 2, into derivative of denominator, that is a 2x plus 6, and plus b it is a minus 5. Okay, it is a numerator. Okay, 3x plus 4 can be written in the form of a into derivative of denominator, that is derivative of quadratic function, plus b it is a minus 5. So our integrals become, here numerator 3x plus 4 can be written 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 and minus 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. See carefully. It is our question. It is integral 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5. We can express the derivative of quadratic function in terms of 3x plus 4. Okay, it is a 3x plus 4. It is 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. We want to find the value of a and b and put the value of a and b. Then a into 2x plus 6 and plus b. Here numerator 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 2 plus 2x, 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 plus minus 5. Then we replace 3x plus 4 by this term. Okay, now here it is a minus, so separate denominator. 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Okay, now we separate the integrals. It is first term and it is second term and it is minus, so we separate these two terms. Here see carefully, this term, it is a 3 by 2 constant into 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx minus 5 into integral of 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Now here we get the two integrals. Now we solve these two integrals. Okay, first the question is solve this integral, that is a linear function upon quadratic function. Then the method is linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. Then we find the value of a and b. Okay, here it is the value of a and b, and then separate the integral. These are the two integrals. Okay, and these two integrals are already solved. Okay, here it is a 1 upon quadratic function, 1 upon quadratic function. Okay, it is by completing square method we get here x square and a square. Then by using the special integral we can solve this. And here see carefully, it is also linear function upon quadratic function. It is linear function upon quadratic function, but here this linear function is derivative of denominator. That means it is a derivative and it is function. It is f dash of x and it is f of x, and we know that the integral f dash of x upon f of x, it is log of f of x. So this integral can be written directly. See carefully, it is a 3 by 2 log of f of x, that is x square plus 6x plus 5, and minus this integral solve by using the complete square method. Here it is x square plus 6x. See carefully, the coefficient of x, it is a 6, half of 6 it is a 3, and square of 3 it is a 9. So here plus 9, minus 9 and plus 5. Okay, dx. Here we can write the reason f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x, okay, and plus c. Okay, for this reason, okay, we can directly write. It is not necessary to write. It is f dash of x upon f of x. It is a derivative 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6, what is the 2x plus 6? It is a 2x plus 6, and 2x plus 6, it is a derivative of quadratic function. And now here it is a linear function upon quadratic function, but this linear function is a completely derivative of this denominator, that is f dash of x upon f of x. So this integral becomes, it is a log of f of x. Okay, now we can solve. It is a 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5. First term as it is, we can solve this integral. Now we can solve this integral. Minus 5 into integral of 1 upon, here first three term, x plus 3 whole square, x plus 3 whole square, and here minus 9 plus 4, it is a minus 9 plus 5, it is a minus 4, and it is a dx. And now first term as it is, 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 into integral of 1 upon, here x plus 3 whole square and minus 2 square dx. Okay, x plus 3 whole square minus 2 square. Okay, here we can write direct. It is a 2 square in this term. It is a 9 minus 9 plus 5. It is a minus 4. Okay, here we can reduce this step. Here we can directly write here. It is a minus 4, so we can write here 2 square. Okay, and now this term as it is, 5 as it is, and it is integral of 1 upon x plus 3 whole square minus 2 square, that is 1 upon x square minus a square, and integral of 1 upon x square minus a square. Okay, it is a 1 upon quadratic function. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square, it is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a, and then it is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a and plus c. And now last answer. Here it is as it is, 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 by 4, it is 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 and plus c. It is the last answer of this function. Okay, see carefully. Here it is a linear function upon quadratic function. So method is linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. Then we can find the value of a and b. Okay, a and b, and write the value of a and b in this. Okay, then numerator replaced by this term. Okay, numerator expressed as a derivative of denominator. Okay, numerator can be expressed as a derivative of denominator. Now it is numerator can be expressed in terms of the derivative of denominator. Then separate. Now we get the two integrals. First integral it is f dash of x upon f of x, and it is 1 upon quadratic function. Here f dash x upon f of x, it is a log of f of x, and 1 upon quadratic function we solve by the completing square method. These are the two integrals we can solve simultaneously. Okay, here see carefully. Okay, linear function upon quadratic function. Now it is a linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b, means we adjust the derivative of quadratic function in numerator. We adjust derivative of quadratic function. Here we adjust derivative, it is x square plus 6x plus 5. The derivative of x square plus 6 plus 5, it is a 2x plus 6, but in the numerator there is a 3x plus 4. So we adjust two scalars, it is 3 by 2 and minus 5. Okay, it is the value of a and b. Now we can directly write, see carefully, directly write the adjustment. Here it is the value of a and b. Okay, numerator is equal to a into derivative of numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Linear function is equal to a into quadratic function plus b. That means we adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function. Okay, we can directly adjust by using our lecture number 6, that is degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same. Then we adjust denominator in numerator. Okay, but here degree of denominator and degree of numerator is not same. Okay, here so we adjust the derivative of denominator in numerator. See carefully, here it is a linear function upon quadratic function. The solution method is, it is a linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. It is a nothing but the adjustment, adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function. So here we can write here derivative of quadratic function, that is x square plus 6x plus 5, and it is 2x plus 6. Now our integral, see carefully, our integral denominator as it is x square plus 6x plus 5, but here we adjust the derivative of this quadratic function in linear function, that is derivative of denominator in numerator. We adjust, and derivative of denominator is 2x plus 6. So we can write 2x plus 6. Okay, but in the numerator there is a 3x, and here we write 2x. So we multiply, it is a 3 by 2. See carefully, here it is a 3 by 2. Therefore if we multiply, it is a 2 get cancelled. Here it is a 3, and then we multiply 3 by 2 into 6. See carefully, 3 by 2 into 6, then we get 9. Okay, but here it is a minus 4. So this 9 will be cancelled. 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 and minus 9. The calculation of this term, it is only 3x. It is adjustment. Okay, this adjustment we have already learned in our lecture number 6. Okay, see the lecture number 6. Okay, here, and plus 4 as it is dx, it is an adjustment. Okay, in lecture number 6 we adjust the linear function in denominator into the numerator, that is degree of polynomial in numerator and denominator are same, then adjust denominator in numerator. Okay, this type of the example we have learned in our lecture number 6. See or watch carefully the lecture number 6. Now this is adjustment, and then it is a 3 by 2, 2x plus 6 minus 9 plus 4, and minus 9 plus 4 means it is a 5, and it is easy way by the last method. Numerator, that is linear function, is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. That means the adjustment of the derivative of quadratic function in linear function. Here we adjust directly. Okay, it is an easy method. Okay, here this, and by the second step it is this. Okay, we can solve by the previous method or this method. Okay, watch carefully both the terms. Okay, now we see the next example. Next, evaluate 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 5 dx. Again here linear function upon quadratic function. Okay, see carefully. Let integral is equal to linear function, that is 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. Okay, it is a linear function upon quadratic function, and then solution of such type example, it is linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. That means adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function. Okay, we can directly adjust. Okay, to find the value of a and b, it is a lengthy procedure. Okay, we can find direct the derivative of this quadratic function in numerator. Okay, so derivative of quadratic function, that is x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, then therefore integral is equal to, here 2x plus 4, it is a derivative of quadratic function. Okay, we adjust in this, here 2x and here 2x. Okay, so it is here is not multiplied by any scalar. Okay, it is a 2x, but we want to 1, and here it is a 4, so directly we can write minus 3, and denominator as it is, that is x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. See carefully. Okay, now here when it is a linear function upon quadratic function, when we use the linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b, then the value of a and b, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 3. Okay, here we can directly adjust the derivative of quadratic function in numerator. Derivative of quadratic function, it is a linear, and numerator is also linear, so their degree is same, so directly adjust. Okay, and this adjustment we have already learned in our lecture number 6. Now separate this. Integral of 2x plus 4 upon x square plus 4x plus 5 minus 3 upon, it is minus 5. Okay, here it is a minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Then x square plus 4x and minus 5 dx. Now these are the two terms. Now first separate the integrals. So we can write here integral of 2x plus 4 upon x square plus 4x minus 5 dx, and minus 3 into integral of 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 5 dx. Now these are the two integrals. here it is a linear function upon quadratic function, but this linear function is derivative of this quadratic function, that means f dash of x upon f of x, and we know the integral of this term. We can directly write the f dash of x upon f of x, the integral of this, it is a log of f of x, and here 3, it is a constant, here 1 upon quadratic function, and we know that how to solve the 1 upon quadratic function by completing square method. Now this integral we can write directly, it is log of x square plus 4x minus 5 and minus 3 into here 1 upon quadratic function. So by completing square method, x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 5 dx. Here coefficient of x, it is a 4, half of 4, it is a 2, and the square of 2, it is a 4. Here this integral we can directly write, okay, this formula it is not necessary to write, f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to integral, it is log of f of x, okay, plus c. Okay, here f dash of x upon f of x. Now this term as it is, we solve the second term integral. So here we can write, it is log of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3 into integral of 1 upon, see carefully, it is x plus 2 whole square and minus 9, x plus 2 whole square minus 9 dx. This term as it is, log of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3 into integral of 1 upon x plus 2 whole square minus 3 square dx. Okay, now it is 1 upon x square minus a square, first term as it is, log of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3 into 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a and plus c. And then it is last answer, log of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3 get cancelled, it is 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 upon x plus 5 and plus c. It is the last answer of this. Okay. Now we see the next example. Integral of 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx. Now again it is linear function upon quadratic function. Let I is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx. Now here adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function. So first find the derivative of quadratic function. Derivative of 2x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to derivative of 2x square, it is a 4x and plus 3. Now this term, this derivative adjust in numerator. This is linear function, it is linear function. So degree of these two functions is same. So we adjust this function in numerator. Therefore integral is equal to, it is a 4x plus 3, but we want only 2x. So here we multiply by 1 by 2. See carefully. It is a 1 by 2 into 4x, it is 2x, but it is 1 by 2 into 3, it is a 3 by 2, but we want only 3. So this 3 by 2 get cancelled, minus 3 by 2, and we can write plus 3 by 2 upon here. The calculation of this term, it is 2x plus 3, and numerator as it is, sorry, it is denominator, 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx. Now integral of it is 1 by 2 4x plus 3, and it is 6, that is plus 3 by 2 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1, okay, dx. When we use here method linear function is equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b, then we get the value of a and b. A is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to, it is a 3 by 2. Okay, now these two terms separate the denominator, therefore 1 by 2 into 4x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x and minus 1 plus 3 by 2 into 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx. Now separate the integrals, therefore it is 1 by 2 into 4x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx, plus it is a 3 by 2 into 1 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx. And now here we get the two integrals, it is f dash of x upon f of x, and it is 1 upon quadratic function. So it is f dash of x upon f of x, it is a log of f of x, and 1 upon quadratic function. By completing square method we can solve it. First, using the completing square, the coefficient of x square is equal to 2. Then we can directly write the answer of this term, it is 1 by 2 log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1, okay, f dash of x upon f of x, it is plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, take 2 common, and into integral of 1 upon, see carefully, x square plus 3 by 2 x and minus 1 by 2 dx. Okay. Here 2 get common, so here x square, it is a 3 by 2 x and it is minus 1 by 2. Now first term as it is, that is 1 by 2 log of 2x square plus 3x and minus 1, then plus 3 by 4 into integral of 1 upon x square plus 3 by 2 x. Now here the coefficient of x, it is a 3 by 2, half of 3 by 2, it is a 3 by 4, and the square of 3 by 4, it is a 9 by 16. So we can write here plus 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 and minus 1 by 2 as it is here dx. Okay, see carefully, 3 by 2, half of 3 by 2, it is a 3 by 4, and square of 3 by 4, it is a 9 by 16. Then first term as it is, 1 by 2 log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1 plus 3 by 4 into, okay, here it is x plus 3 by 4, x plus 3 by 4 square, x plus 3 by 4 square, and here calculate carefully this 9 minus 9 by 16 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, here the common factor, it is a 2, so remaining factor here, it is 1 and it is 8, that means minus 9 minus 8, that is minus 17, minus 17 upon common factor and remaining factor multiply, it is a 16. So the calculation of this term minus 9 by 16 and minus 1 by 2, it is minus 17 by 16. Okay, here common factor of these two terms, it is a 2, here remaining 8 and here remaining 1. 1 multiplied by 9, it is a minus 9, and 8 multiplied by minus 1, minus 9 minus 8, it is a minus 17. And the in denominator, multiplication of common factor and remaining factor. Okay, now it is 1 by 2 log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1 plus 3 by 4 into integral of 1 upon x plus 3 by 4 whole square minus under root 17 upon 4 whole square dx. Again first term as it is, 1 by 2 log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1, then plus 3 by 4 constant as it is. Now integrate 1 upon x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. And now last step, it is 1 by 2 log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1 plus, it is 4 get cancelled, 3 upon 2 under root 17 log of, here multiply by 4, it is a 4x plus 3 minus under root 17 upon 4x plus 3 plus under root 17 and plus c. It is the last answer. Okay, check carefully, it is a linear function upon quadratic function, therefore we adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function, and then we get the separate 2 integration. It is f dash of x upon f of x, and it is 1 upon quadratic function. Okay, see carefully this.